The sun had already disappeared behind the hills of Capernaum. The streets were turning dark, but something unusual was happening that night. People were whispering from house to house, "Jesus is healing the sick. Demons are leaving people. Come quickly before it's too late." Soon, the entire town began moving toward one small house. Mothers carried weak children in their arms. Old men leaned on sticks. Some people cried in pain. Others were held tightly by family members because evil spirits made them scream and shake violently. The air was filled with fear, hope, and desperate prayers. Inside the house, Jesus Christ sat quietly after a long day of teaching. But when he heard the voices outside, he stood up. He did not close the door. He walked toward the suffering. Torchlights flickered across the crowded street. Dust rose beneath hundreds of tired feet. And then, the people saw him. A silence spread through the crowd. Some had heard stories about miracles. Some doubted. Some only came because they had nowhere else to go. But the moment Jesus stepped outside, everything changed. A father pushed forward carrying his little son whose body burned with fever. "Please," the father cried, tears running down his face, "he is all I have." Jesus gently touched the child's forehead. Instantly, the fever vanished. The boy opened his eyes, breathed deeply, and smiled. Crowd gasped. Before anyone could speak, another woman was brought forward. She had been sick for many years. Her hands trembled. She could barely stand. Jesus held her hand. Strength returned to her body like water flowing through dry land. She stood up straight for the first time in years. People began weeping openly. But then the atmosphere suddenly changed. From the back of the crowd came terrifying screams. Several men dragged a demon-possessed man forward. His eyes were wild. His voice sounded unnatural. People stepped back in fear. The man fell to the ground shaking violently. And then the demon spoke through him, "We know who you are, the Holy One of God." Fear spread everywhere. But Jesus was not afraid. Not even for a moment. He looked directly at the man and commanded with authority, "Be silent. Come out of him." At once, the man's body jerked violently, and then became still. Silence. The evil spirit was gone. The man slowly lifted his head. His eyes were peaceful now. Clear. Free. His mother rushed forward crying and hugged him tightly. The crowd could hardly believe what they were seeing. One by one, the sick were healed. Blind eyes opened. Weak legs became strong. Pain disappeared. Demons fled at his command. The night that began with sorrow was now filled with cries of joy and praise. People looked at Jesus with amazement. Some whispered, "Who is this man? Even demons obey him. God has visited his people." But Jesus did not heal people to show power alone. He healed because he loved them. Every touch carried compassion. Every word carried peace. Every miracle carried hope. And just as the prophets had spoken long before, he took their pain upon himself and carried their suffering. Long after midnight, the streets of Capernaum were still awake. But now, instead of fear, there was laughter, worship, tears of joy, and hearts filled with wonder. Because in one unforgettable night, darkness met the light.